G'day, Russell here with another quick tip for you to help you get the most out of your XPENG G6. And this question comes from someone who's considering purchasing a G6. They know someone at work who's just received theirs, and that person was explaining that their handles pop out when they unlock the vehicle. And this person was asking, how would I turn that off if I don't want that to happen? Well, like everything else, we go into our settings. Let's make this full screen. In the top left-hand corner here is our settings icon. Now, because the question relates to doors, we would go to the category of window and door. And then we scroll down just a little bit, and here we have the option of pop-out handles on unlock. Now, I would suggest that the person that you know has just taken delivery has this option switched on. So when you see the green displayed, it means that option is switched on. So whenever they unlock their vehicle, the handles will pop out. Just makes it a little bit easier to grab them and open the car because this option is switched on. Now, if you don't want that to happen, make sure that you turn that to off, and when you press the remote, it will unlock, but the handles will not pop out. I actually quite like that feature. I think it's pretty handy. Just makes grabbing the handle that little bit easier than having to push it in and get a grip that way. So that's what you need to do. If you want to either have them pop open or not pop open, you just need to adjust that here accordingly. Alright guys, well as always, I hope it was helpful and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.